Welcome back to Rolling Through Life. This is Wanda, and we're on our way to Amish country, and we're going to have a great day. So,
just don't end up in the glove box.
We'll try not to. So, well, we got about 2-hour drive, so bye. So, we are now at Yoder's kitchen having lunch. We just got into town, and there she is reading her menu. It's going to be a great day. So tell everybody what we're going to do today.
Well, first we are going to go to Zenix for the fabric, and then we are going to go park right outside of a nice cheese factory. If we're lucky, they'll be making cheese.
Will we have a taste test later?
Yes, we will.
Okay, Sandy got the mashed potatoes with turkey and some noodles. Looks awesome. I got a pork chop and potatoes with a side of green beans. And we'll show you the pie when it comes up. Okay, we're going to share a nice slice of blackberry pie. So,
oh my God. That is good.
I told you. Okay, we're in Zink's fabric store, and we got tons of fabric to go through. Look at all that. Oh, there's zebra print. At $1.99 a yard, that's reasonable. Okay, we're going to do some shopping. Oh, let me give you a bigger picture of how large this place is. So we're going to spend a lot of time in here. And we still got a whole room back through there. Okay, this is the other part.
Just to give us extra bit.
All the way over there. And I got me some buttons. So what did you buy?
3 kinds of knit fabric and some strawberry fabric. I spent $40.
Okay. That's it?
That,
So far?
yes.
Okay.
And what did you buy?
I bought 18 sets of buttons and some patches for my dolls and some fabric.
Anything else?
Dinner. Okay, we're at the flea market. Oh, isn't that cute? It says,
is.
always kiss me goodnight. Okay, we just got out of the flea market, and it just seems like the flea market is all commercialized. There's no even trading used product. There's no true Amish selling in there. You got true Amish salespeople, but not product. So we're leaving that, and we're going into the town of Berlin and show you a little bit of that. Hopefully the rain stays away for a couple more hours, and then we'll be good. Is this the store we're not supposed to take pictures in?
No.
Goose clothes. Look at these adorable dresses. Little Shopkins up there, and they got doll dresses to match. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, look at that little, the cookie.
That's a Shopkin also.
Oh, is it? Look at these cute little aprons. As we have a cooking one. These are for little kids. Little hairdresser one. Another little hairdresser. Let's see what else they got. A little gardening. Little boys cooking. Little tools. Those are adorable. Look at these doll clothes. Oh, I love them. Look at the little summer outfit.
Oh, look at the little winter coat.
A little Christmas coat.
A little wedding dress. Or first communion.
What's that, like a band outfit right
It's like an Irish step dancer's dress.
Oh, these are adorable. There's a little Victorian dress.
You got the little tiara and purse.
Oh, those are cute.
My hand out of the way.
Yeah. Little raincoats. Look at that. And how's that put together? It's got a dowel rod in there?
Yeah, it's like a knit sock over top of another sock.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm talking about the nose is like a dowel rod.
Oh, okay. Toothpick, that's what that is.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Did you see the little angels?
Huh. Oh, look at
It's like
those
the
angels.
styrofoam combs with the styrofoam heads.
I can take my Christmas trees apart
There you go.
and make angels. Welcome to the hot tub. I see it, it's cute. This is for Molly.
Here you go, Mom. 50 isn't old if you're a tree.
That's right.
Raising kids is like being pecked to death by a chicken. Daughter, a little girl who grew up to be a good friend.
That is true. You know what? We ought to have that.
We should.
How much is it? Look at this fairy garden.
You know what?
How much is it?
I will buy it for you.
Oh, what a
It was $3.
sweetheart. Look at that fairy garden. Isn't that gorgeous?
Here's one for you. Getting older isn't for sissies.
That's true. Let's get up close and personal.
Misery loves company. This may explain my sudden surge in popularity.
Look at these cute organizers for doors. It's
That'd
a
look
good
good on your door.
sewing, exactly, with yarn for like projects I'm working on.
Yeah.
Look at this for the little boys. Those are adorable. Okay, we've enjoyed our day. The rain's about to come.
Spent too much money.
Absolutely. So we're going to take off, and I just want to say thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and YouTube will notify you every time I upload a video. And leave a comment below. See y'all later. Bye.
Bye.